Yep, I sent an email to that a couple of times with pictures and didn't try calling. Yeah, I don't know much German, but I tried. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I'm going to guess that this Rosenbauer company does firefighting technology, and they made this candy pack box. There's their website, their logo with PEZ, the ingredients. This was made by PEZ International, as you can see right there. And it is a 5-pack, I'm assuming, promoting their company. I've tried getting a hold of this company to find out the history, but to no avail. So I am asking you, do you know anything about this? If so, leave that with your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Enjoy. Ooh, little smiley face. But yeah, I came across this in my travels, and I really want to know the history behind it. So I'm asking for some help. Please help. Tell me about this firefighting technology. Because I need to know. I can't just throw candy at the problem. It will not put out a fire. I'm sure PEZ is flammable. Flammable PEZ? That's for another video. So until next time.